Hi, how are you? Ni hao ma. So today I will explain to you a lot of things in Chinese language. Okay. Now, for example, if you really want to speak the language out and you want to say, obviously, because Chinese is a language wherein you have to speak up if you really want to work with an MNCs, if you really want to work, with exporting import companies, it is required basically. So today we'll do some conversations. Today we'll do some countings in Chinese language. Now, for example, you are meeting the first time the people. For example, you meet first time. It's a ni hao. Ni hao is hi. Ni hao. Basically, we have hi. Ni hao. But the moment we'll add on ni hao ma. Ma basically we have a question particle, and I will say ni hao ma, and I'll say wo hen hao ni ne wo hen hao. It means I'm good and you ni ne wo ye hen hao wo ye hen hao wo ye hen hao is I'm also good. She thank you. Is it clear to you? So today, obviously, that's a normal conversation which I did with you. But today, exactly, I want to start with a language wherein the now for example you go for import export, you go for to buy something in China, so the counting play a vital role. Okay, so today I will explain to you counting in Chinese language. So how to say this in Chinese. Today I'm going to explain to you this the thing in Chinese language. I will say, ni hao, 今天我会用中文向你谢谢叔叔, right? So what I said, 今天 is today. Okay, 今天我会用中文. We have 中文. 中文 is a Chinese. 中文向你解释叔叔. is to explain. That's right. The 今天我会用中文想你谢谢叔叔. Clear? So that how we're working for a pattern. Okay. So let's start with this. Let me open my notepad and you tell me if my notepad is visible to you. 1 second. So let me share the notepad. 1 second. So I believe this notepad is visible to you. Is it fine? 1 second. Yeah. Is it fine? The notepad is visible to you? Great. So today we'll do counting in Chinese. And it's very simple. It is just counting in Chinese language. Okay, let me write it down. Counting in Chinese. What is a Chinese? Hanyu basically we have a Chinese language. Is that Hanyu is a Chinese language. Okay, let's before going the pattern of counting, I want to say, like for example, say I want to learn. Now, for example, say I'm learning Chinese language. I am wo. Basically, we have verb shui shi. Shui shi is my vocab to study and to learn. Wo shui shi Hanyu. You say I speak Chinese. 我说韩语，我说英语。I speak English. 我说英语。I'm learning English. 我学习英语. Is it clear to you? Clear. So let's start with this. Today I will explain to you again. Obviously, what to say zero in Chinese. Zero because we are doing the counting, right? Zero. We have link. Repeat after me. Link. We have zero. Link. E. Repeat after me. E. 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 We have number one. E. We have number one. Repeat after me. Link. E. 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 I'm writing something, okay? We have number two. Sun, repeat after me. Sun, sun, we have number three. Let me write it down for you. So repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3. What to say in Chinese? Ling, sun. Repeat after me. Repeat after me, please. E is number one. Is number two. Okay. Sun is number three. Sir is number four. Is it clear to you? Wo. Repeat after me. Wo is number five. So repeat after me. Sun. Repeat after me. Sun, sir, wo. Repeat after me. Wo. This is how we're working for a pattern. Wo is number five. Liu is number six. Is it clear to you? Chi. Repeat after me. Chi is number seven. Repeat after me. Pa. Let me write it down for you. pa, chiu, chiu. So repeat after me. Pa is number 8. So repeat after me. I, san, se, wu, liu, qi, pa. Repeat after me. I, san, se, wu, liu, qi, pa, chiu, chiu. Literally meaning of chiu is number 9, but the sound we have chiu. Repeat after me. Chiu. Okay. Then we have shir. Shir we have number 10. See, this is how we're working for the counting pattern. So let's repeat after me. E. Repeat after me. E. E, san, se, wu, qiu, qi, pa, qiu, shir. Is it clear to you? So let's repeat after me the counting. E, san, se, wu, liu, qi, pa, qiu, qiu, because the sound is qiu, shir, and shir we have number 10. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, what to say 11 then? Sorry, 1 second. Okay, sorry. Now, for example, if I will say what to say 11 in Chinese, 11. See, the 11 is we have 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. See, what is 11? 10 plus 1, right? So I will say shir e, because shir is number 10 and e is number 1. Shir e is number 11. Then what to say 12? Is number 2. I will say shir Very simple. Okay. Then I will say shir san. Shir san. See, I will explain to you something in Chinese so that you will come to know. Shir san. Shir san is number 30. Shirsa, repeat after me. Shirsa is number 14. Shivu, repeat after me. Shivu. Shivu is number 15. Is it clear to you? Then I can say Shilio. Repeat after me. Shilio is number 16. Then I will say Shirchi. Shirchi. Repeat after me. Shirchi. Shirpa. Repeat after me. Because Pa is number 8, I can say Shirpa. Shirpa is number 18. I can say Shirchu. Repeat after me. Shirchu. And then what is 20? So 20 is 2 into 10 is 20. Tell me yes or no. 2 into 10, right? So I can say Arshir. Arshir is number 20. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? Now, for example, if you're working for a 21, 22, very simple. 2 into 10 plus 1. See, we're working for a pattern. 2. Now, what is 21? 2 into 10 plus 1 is a formula. So I can say Arshid E. Repeat after me. Arshid E. Arshid Is it clear to you? I can say Arshid San. Is it clear to you, my team? Sorry. Tuepuchi. Arshid San is number 23. Arshid Sir is number 24. I can say Arshid Vu. Repeat after me. Arshid Vu is number 25. Arshid Liu. Repeat after me. Arshid Liu is number 26. Is it clear to you? So that how it is just you have to learn till 1 to 10 counting. Then what is 27? Arshid Chi. Repeat after me. Arshid Pa. Let me write it down for you. Arshid Pa. Arshid Pa. Is it clear to you? 28. Then what is 29? Arshid Chiu. Repeat after me. Then what is 30? We have Sanshir. Repeat after me. Sanshir. San, because San we have, number 3. Sanshir. Repeat after me. Sanshir. Now, what is it? 31 then? I can say Sanshir E. Repeat after me. Sanshir E. Sanshir Repeat after me. Sanshir San. It is just you have to learn till 1 to 10, and going forward we have a formula. Sanshir Sir. Clear study 4. I hope you understand. Yes, excellent. So I can say Sanshir Wu. Repeat after me. Sanshir Wu. Sanshir Liu. Let me write it down for you. Sanshir. 1 second. Yes, Liu. Is it because I'm speaking also, I'm writing also. So Sanshir Chi. Repeat after me. Sanshir Chi. Sanshir Pa. Repeat after me. Sanshir Chiu. Repeat after me. Then what to say? 40. So 40 is 4 into 10. What is 4 into 10? Sarshir. Sarshir is number 40. Is it clear to you, my team? So very simple. Nobody's 41. Sarshir E, Sarshir Sarshir San, Sarshir Sir, Sarshir Wu. 1 second. I'm just getting a phone call. 1 second, please. 1 second, yeah? Okay. Hello. Yes. Okay. Sorry, I just got a phone call. Sorry, excuse me. Okay. So what to say sorry in Chinese? Tue puchi, tue puchi, tue puchi. Is it clear to you? Tue puchi is extremely sorry. Is it clear to you? Now that how we're working for a pattern. I hope you understand. Now, for example, what to say 50. 50 is what? What is 5? Wo share. What is 50? Wo share. Repeat after me. Wo share. It means what is 51? Wo share E. What is 52? Wo share wo share san, wo share sa, wo share wo. 55. Wo share wo, wo share qiu, wo share qi, wo share ba, wo share qiu, qiu. Is it qie? See that how we're working for a pattern. Is it clear to you? Okay, I will repeat again one more time. Repeat after me. 50, 53, Leo basically we have six. Okay, 56. 57, 58, 59, Liu Shir. Liu Shir is basically we have because we have six Liu Shir. Is it clear to you? Then I can say Liu Shir E, Liu Shir Liu Shir San, Liu Shir Se, Liu Shir Wu, Liu Shir Liu, Liu Shir Qi, Liu Shir Pa, Liu Shir Qiu. That how we're working for a pattern. If you want, I can write it down for you, but it's very simple. It is okay. You tell me what is 70? What is 7? What is 7? Chi, chi, shir. Shir is number 10. So chi, then what is that? Tell me. Chi, shir. Chi is number 7 and shir is number 10. If I will say 71, chi, number 7, shir is 20 and e. Chi shir e, chi shir chi shir san, chi shir se, chi shir wu, chi shir liu, chi shir qi. Very good. Chi shir pa, chi shir qiu. So liu we have number 6 and qiu we have number 9. Then we have 18 is pa shir. 81 Pashir E, Pashir Pashir San, Pashir Sa, Pashir Wu, Pashir Liu, Pashir Chi, Pashir Pa, Pashir Chiu, Chiushir. Is it clear to you? Then I can say what is 90 we have because Chiu Shir. Okay, Chiu Shir E, Chiu Shir Chiu Shir San, Chiu Shir Se, Chiu Shir Wu, Chiu Shir Liu, Chiu Shir Chi, Chiu Shir Pa, Chiu Shir Chiu, E pi. Repeat after me. What is 100? Let me write it down for you. E pi. Pi is my 100. 100 E pi. Repeat after me. E pi. Literally meaning of E pi is 100. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? Okay. Now, for example, if you want to introduce yourself, my name is Ankit. I will say, what's your Ankit? Okay. So, see, it's very. I speak Chinese. What to say? I speak Chinese. Whoa. See, we have speak. Sure. Sure is my verb to speak. 我说韩语. I speak English. 我说英语. Is it clear to you? Clear that how we are working for a pattern, my team. Clear? So I hope you love the pattern. Repeat the session because the counting is very important, and I will come back with my new techniques, okay, in Chinese language gradually. Okay, by the time side share, bye bye, Shishi. Thank you, Shishi.